Today we have a box full with animal toys. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a zebra. This is a zebra. A polar bear. This is a polar bear. The next animal is gorilla. This is gorilla. The next animal is tiger. This is tiger. A rooster. This is a rooster. A rooster. The next animal is a triceratops. This is a triceratops.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next animal is